Hello, YouTube. Welcome back to Learning Life and Loving Radio Scanners. Hello. Today's video, what I would like to talk to you guys a little bit about, and this is my top 5 tips for if you guys are ever planning a trip to Holiday World in Splashing Safari in 2014 and 2025. So the first thing that I recommend you guys do, and this is a big thing, is that if your guys' work gives you guys discounts for tickets there, that's what I recommend you guys do, because the tickets can help you guys out in a heartbeat. So if you guys are not yet subscribed, please make sure to hit that subscribe button, ding that notification bell, so you guys will not miss out on any videos. And so the second tip, it's go find out the best restaurant. Holiday World and Splashing Safari got several different kinds of restaurants. They got their own gluten-free restaurant. They got their own Chinese restaurant. They even got their own restaurant at Santa's Merry Marketplace. They even got their own Thanksgiving style place, which I think is really kind of interesting. Which their Thanksgiving area and their Thanksgiving section, this is a really big area. And I mean, this area is not that big, but going around to the other side to Splashing Safari, you guys got 4 different areas that has some problems. Sometimes when you guys go there, the Holiday World and Splashing Safari, you guys don't know if there's going to be a ride failure. You guys don't know if there's going to be a failure with the motion of the ride. Or you guys don't know even the thing that is going on, like with their different radio stuff. So Holiday World and Splashing Safari has a strict policy on radio scanners and stuff like that. They do not want you to bring radio scanners inside the theme park, because they do not want you to listen to their information. Well, just to let you guys know, if you guys walk around Holiday World and Splashing Safari, you guys see some people there wear walkie-talkies, and some of them don't. So those are the first 2 tips. So the third tip that I recommend everybody does a quick look out on, it's if you guys are going around, and this is a way more better idea. If you guys are going around Holiday World, I recommend you guys stay together, because Holiday World and Splashing Safari is a big, giant park. Like, you guys can feel lost there. You guys can even, like, if you guys might not know, that's the reason why I recommend you guys have cell phones. That's the reason why, if you guys do not think you guys will get on their frequency, carry the little blister pack radios, because those radios can help you if your family gets lost. But be aware, another great tip is to make sure your phone is charged. That is the biggest one that I think most theme parks doesn't even think about whenever they go around. So a couple of other overall thinkings on that. Number one, you guys can do a complete radio scanner dispatch code. Like, so the dispatch codes, you guys can follow along with them. You guys can check them out. You guys can normal the radio scanners and stuff. But another great tip is that their county, Spencer County, has honestly one of the bestest radio scanner frequencies that you guys can listen to, like along the road. If you guys take like I-69, if you guys take 231, any of those roads would help you guys get there faster. So a road that I recommend you guys do, and if you guys are not a big fan of like the highway, it's that take most of the back roads. You guys will go through Jasper. You guys will go through Shoals. And then after that, you guys will go through like Bedford if you guys are coming from here. Because Holiday World isn't that very far away. But so that's another great perk about Holiday World. The second perk about it, if you guys are from Indiana and you guys go down there and buy you guys an annual pass, you guys can get half a discount off whenever you guys go there. Because they would have your own priority line. They will have your own check-in desk, like at most theme parks. The only theme parks that I have not seen yet is like Six Flags in Kings Island and Cedar Point. I have not seen those theme parks, and I do research. And there's stuff, you guys, holy cow, okay? There's stuff they do inside their entire readout system. Like if you guys go up there to Cedar Point and try to listen to their radio frequencies, those radio frequencies there are quite a bit of problem from the ones if you guys go down there like to Kentucky Kingdom. But if you guys go, like, let's just say you guys are wanting to listen to Louisville Zoo, the Louisville Zoo, that is the greatest choice, a place where I think you guys should go visit. Because the Louisville Zoo has so much different stuff happening there. They have lights under Louisville. They have lights at the zoo. They have so much different stuff that you guys can go check out. Even Louisville has Thunder Over Louisville, a thing that I have never seen myself. So, like all your towns, like all your river towns would have some interesting like that, like the Belle Louisville, the Belle Cincinnati, There's even like their own bell down there in New Orleans. And in New Orleans too, which I think is really kind of interesting on their end. Plus also like looking around like at there's several different radio scanner stuff and going around and like checking that stuff out. You guys can do as much research as you guys want to. So what I think what you guys should do is just go to your usual research and stuff and just do some thinking on that. Alright guys, that's it. Have a great day, YouTube, and I will see you guys back here tomorrow. I'll try to do a video tomorrow morning because tomorrow afternoon around 6, I have self-advocates meeting, which if you guys are a person with a disability and you guys are wanting, and if you guys are watching this video and you guys are part of Stonebelt or of any organization you guys are thinking, I would recommend you guys go check out like your local self-advocates meetings. And also if you guys are thinking about starting your own self-advocates meeting, what I recommend you guys do is do like going around and checking out the Arc of Indiana, because the Arc of Indiana has so much, and the Arc of United States does so much. There might be another Arc in your neck of the woods. Alright guys? And also, second thing which I would like to say at the end is that the Excel Center Bloomington is currently looking for current applications for going to the next school year. Please make sure to go look at the Excel Center at excelcenter.com. And if you guys go to the Bloomington Excel Center, just say my name, Tommy Cunningham, and they will give you they will give you a great coach. Alright guys, that's it. Have a great day. I will see you guys tomorrow.